quinta mesa sobre energia, o professor de Engenharia Mecânica da Universidade de Colômbia falou sobre a importância dos recursos energéticos. Para ele, é possível produzir energia limpa em larga escala, inclusive em países pobres da África e da Ásia. Professor, how can we turn renewable resources into the main energy source in poor areas and in large scale?
So the question you ask is not a simple one. It is a difficult question. For lighting, radio, cell phone charging, television, it is much easier to supply this energy from renewables, particularly from solar. And this can be done at a large scale. We must be prepared to use a lot of batteries. We will need for every home something like one car battery. Big, the car battery, something like that will be needed for every poor person to be, so that they can store the sunshine in the daytime to use it in the evening. But if the poor need energy for pumps, for transportation, for agro-processing, for grinding, for milling, these needs are difficult to come by your own private renewable energy system. You will need to be connected to the world, to the country, to the people, and that interconnection maybe has to be supplied by combination of solar, wind, hydropower. But this kind of transformation, even in the developed countries, has not taken place. So to occur in the developing countries, for the poor, this is a big challenge.
Is it possible to make it real in a short time period?
I think it is technically possible. Is it economically possible? I don't know, because we need a lot of resources to make this happen in a short time. What is interesting is it will take less resources to make it happen in the developing world than in the developed world. So, but even those fewer resources the developing world does not have. So this is the problem.
Thank you, Professor.
It's a pleasure. Obrigado.
Ana Paula Chaim para a TV PUC.